My name is Andres. My favorite book is Los Futbolísimos, and my favorite character is Camuñas.
My name is Bryce. My favorite book is The Futbolísimos. My favorite character is Angustias, and Angustias is Scale.
My name is Paul. My favorite book is Los Futbolísimos, and my favorite character is Ocho. He's the smallest.
My name is Alex, and my favorite book is Los Futbolísimos. My favorite character is Tony. He's the meanest.
My name is Paul. My favorite book is Los Futbolísimos. My favorite character is Paquete, and he is the main character.
My name is Aaron, and my favorite book is Futbolísimos, and my character is Tomeo.
My name is Gabriel. My favorite author is Miguel de Cervantes, and my favorite book is Don Quijote de la Mancha.
My name is Paul Gómez. My favorite book is Don Quijote de la Mancha. My favorite character is Don Quixote. My favorite author is Cervantes.
My name is Helen, and my favorite book is Los Compas y el Diamante Legendario, and my favorite character is Mike.
My name is Carmen, and my favorite book is A Girl, and my favorite character is Amanda.
My name is Antia. My favorite book is Harry Potter, and my favorite character is Hermione Granger. Hermione is very clever and is best friend of Harry Potter.
My name is Julia. My favorite book is Un verano en vaqueros, and my favorite character is Bridget.
I am Maria. My favorite film is Los Simpsons. My favorite character is Lisa, and Lisa is intelligent.
I am Ana, and my favorite book is La Invasión de Unicornios. My favorite character is Lola. Is very tall.
My name is Ainara, and my favorite book is La Invasión de los Unicornios, and my favorite character is Luli.
My name is Angela, and my favorite book is La Invasión de los Unicornios. My favorite character is Lily. It's a small unicorn.
My name is Leire. My favorite book is La Invasión de los Unicornios. My favorite character is Cereza. Cereza is very naughty.
My name is Yago. My favorite book is It. My character is Ben.
My name is Isancho. My favorite author is Stephen King. My favorite book is It.
My name is Brian, and my favorite book is Bad Bad, and my favorite character is Martin.
My name is Alonso, and my favorite film is a Pokemon, and my favorite character is a Pikachu.